I probably look a little interesting right now. I'm not sick, but I'm not feeling well either. My stomach feel a little queasy. Not a normal thing for me, but I'm not nervous, but my queasy stomach is making me a little nervous, so if anything. But we're about to depart soon to the festival. And I heard that's a long line and no parking, so it's gonna be a lot of hassle for a lot of people to walk from point A to point B there, so yeah. I'm gonna be on last child for a while, waiting for my cousins to come through. Probably gonna hang out with my mom and my sisters and her dance crew, so yeah. Passed through the gate. Oh my gosh, it was like the longest line ever. I wish they could have like been more organized with different lanes, like one for performers, one for people, and one for sports, or in the sport lane, and it's still hella long. But like I said, they should let like performers and sport players go in early, but that was still hella long. So but oh well, but I'm in now, and I'm heading inside with my sister's dance group. And we're just gonna go check in and wait for the time being then. I cannot with them too. They make me walk all the way to the backstage, and when they're right here. Okay, now we're officially heading out to go explore. Have a little niece.
You gotta make a pit stop. Oh, this is probably the stage for the night festival then.
This?
Yeah. Just hand them $1 and like, can I just quickly buy water? Dang, they like actually not acknowledging him, okay?
So right now we're heading to the football field. That looks kind of interesting. So, how's your day?
Oh, it's going good. It's hot, but then it's windy, so I don't know. But things are going well.
what the hell? gonna pause the dance competition until the rain is slowed down or rain has stopped. So feel free to come under the tent.
Good enough.
And then I'm Yohan. Let's line dance, everybody. Everybody come here. Let's line dance. Come on. Let's get it going. This is a night party live tonight.
We're starting the party early. Come here, dancers, feel free to join us.
Nice, isn't it?
And I know you're nervous, but you know, don't be nervous. You got this. You got this. And we are here to cheer you on. And so, good luck. Best of luck to you. For real. Yes, good luck. I believe in you. I believe in you.
Hello. Oh, I look interesting. We're heading back to the hotel. I'm tired.
Me too.
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry too.
I'm hangry.
I'm not hungry.
I mean, I eat breakfast, but I haven't touched like a single food here besides a little meatball because I'm not trying to eat greasy food because that can like ruin my vocals for my performance. But yeah, and there's like a long line. I'm not waiting for that. That is
Yes.
ridiculous.
That's what we're going to go eat instead.
Even in my town, our line is not that long. The line here is ridiculous. I'm telling you.
You know why? There's a lot of booths, vendor booths.
No, I think they should have more food because that long was like unexplainable.
Yeah.
If anything, we're going back to the hotel and go eat because I need food. My stomach hurts, my back hurts. So.
She can take her all the way down there, but another shot for all of us. You want to take it? Take it. Oh my gosh, okay. Oh, have my auntie.
So earlier, we were trying to find a shuttle for my mom because her back hurts and she couldn't walk as much. And then this lady decided to pop up out of nowhere, you know, and my cousin said, "Oh my god, that looks like Mavu." I was like, "Yeah, she does look like Mavu." And the other people, and then my other cousin was like, "No, she's not Mavu." And then my sister's like friends were like, "No, she's not. She does look like Mavu." And then later on, like we were like coming over there, like over there-ish. That's when I finally catch up with my mom and I looked double time. I was like, "It is Mavu, okay?" Oh my gosh, I was super shook. You wanna come in too? I was super shook.
So shook. It was me. I knew that was Mabu.
She said, she's the one who said, "Oh my god, she looks like Mabu." I was like, she does look like Mabu. I'm a little blind, but she does look like Mabu, okay?
But by the time when I started back, it said Mabu. I was like, bruh, it was Mabu. And we started laughing so loud.
Okay, so this will be the end of my day 2 vlog for the Wausau festival. To recap of everything that just happened of the festival, this morning I don't know what happened, but I woke up a little nauseous. My stomach feel a little bit queasy, so I don't feel good. I feel like thrown up ish, but not really, and feel a little bit dehydrated too. But yeah, I had like a long day just to get ready, and my body just aimed for it. So I thought I was gonna like not make it kind of ish thing, but I did. So back to what I was saying. Where did I left out again? I left off by, yeah, I made it through the day. But yeah, and then there was like a long line at the entrance ticket way, and I don't know what to say that part. I think they're saying there's like 3 lines or 2 lines, like one for like just people to go in, and the other one's for like sports people and performers. If anything, I think they should have like a VIP line for like performers and sports people to go in quickly, or if not sports people, then just performers. I don't think performers had to like carry anything allowed in, just like a little bag. If anything, I think they should make a 3rd line for performers, because that sports line was like hella long and I wasn't really up for that, and because a lot of sports people carry like a lot of things with them. So if anything, and the space area, the festival isn't really that big compared to our J4 in our city, but I like that the sports events like the football, volleyball, and soccer, like they're like very close with each other, so you don't have to do like long distance traveling. And the food booth, I thought there was like enough food for everybody, but I guess not, because apparently there's like a lot of people. So towards like almost like the end of the day, like it was like a long line just for like 1 booth or 2 booth, you know. And I wasn't up for that, okay? And like I'm not even like exaggerating, like the line was like from where I'm sitting right here out to my door and all the way to the like exit sign over there, okay? And I was like, I'm hungry, like I'm not up for this, so I'm just gonna go back to the hotel and eat. I'm hungry and I'm hangry, okay? Because I didn't eat, although I ate breakfast and I had like a little meatball over there, because I'm not trying to eat greasy food or spicy food, because that could have like ruined my vocals and my performances, so I try to avoid those as much as I can. And I didn't eat like until like we got back around 4 or 5, and that's like a pretty long time, and my stomach was like hurting and my back was hurting too, so that was not a good sign. And I had to like sing in an empty stomach too, and but I know my singing condition, how I deliver my voice, so I wasn't too worried as much. But in the pouring rain, I don't know what pouring rain has like caused so much delay that I was not having it, okay? There's like a lot of people like shoving with each other like in a small tight space. I mean, it's a big tent, but it's still like a small tight space, because you know there's a lot of people like filming, and you know like COVID everywhere. There's COVID everywhere, but thank God I had like my mask on too. So if anything, the dance competition was like postponed, and then because the rain has like made the stage very slippery and such, so they moved the singing round forward, and then the dancing round like go on later. And then when they were like calling for all singers to come check up and stuff, you know, I was like ready to go and stuff, but I don't know what's taking them so long just to get the stuff ready, because I think that people like are missing, or people like are not here, and that's like very frustrating. And I was like, you know, like I'm tired, I'm hungry, my back hurts, my stomach hurts, I just want to get this over with, you know, and go home and rest, you know, because like I'm not even nervous anymore. I'm just like tired, dead tired. I was like, I want to get this over with and go home and sleep, if anything. And then I was like one of the 2nd to the 8th person to go next, and then I will be like the 2nd person to go tomorrow around like 10 a.m. and I don't know why singers don't sing at 10 a.m. at least for me. Like I don't sing till like till noon. But anything, if anything, that festival is but there's also like a night festival going on tonight, which I'm not going to because I'm tired, so I'm resting up. Probably gonna edit this video too, and then while other people leave to go to the night festival, so I can do this editing too. So and also doing this video too, because I need the place to be quiet. If anything, I'm looking for tomorrow. Just gonna practice my last song tonight, and then take a shower, and then, you know, pack up and hoping for the best tomorrow. Yeah, so even if I don't place or not, I'm not gonna take it personally because yeah, that's looking forward to tomorrow, whether I place or not. So I wonder who's gonna win the top 3. So yeah, if anything, please support me, cheer for me. Also, thank you for my friends for coming to come visit me. It was like a big surprise. They also like got me this. It's like a picture of me. I like it. And like a little booklet of them writing the notes to me. I love it so much. Thank you for the big surprise in the gift. I love you so much. Yeah, that's it. So see you tomorrow then. Hopefully I don't feel the same way as I did this morning too. So yeah, bye bye.